This video shows you how to descale the Tassimo Vivy coffee machine. So firstly, let's take cognizance of certain nodes, buttons and components on the machine. This button here is your status LED or brewing button. The button beneath it is your fill water tank. And the last button at the 6 o'clock position is your descaling button. To the left side of the machine is your on and off switch, power button. And now let's identify other parameters or components within the machine. Here you've got your lid, which you can open and close. And then you've got your T-disc, which is somewhat T-shaped. And that protruding bit there is your T-disc piercing unit. And when the T-disc support is taken out, you can clearly see your barcode reader, which reads the barcode on the T-disc alongside other coffee pods. To the right of the T-disc support is your T-disc reading window, which is the window or the slot where the T-disc or the coffee pod sits, so that the reader can read the barcode from the port or the T-disc. And here you've got your beverage outlet and a splash guard which prevents brew from spilling. To the right of the machine you've got your removable water tank. And if you look closely at the scale on the tank, it's got a maximum level mark for cleaning and for brewing. It's also got a descaling mark for descaling the machine and the float at the bottom, which is the round or circular disc that you see here. Other components are your removable and height adjustable drip gate and your drip tray. So this is your drip tray, and the ones with perforated round holes is your drip gate. So it encompasses your drip gate and your drip tray, okay? To the bottom right of the machine, we've got a yellow service T-disc and a brief cleaning and descaling instruction manual, which can be saved or salvaged from the storage compartment that's at the bottom right of the machine. So do remember that the cup stand, which encompasses the drip gate and the drip tray, the removable water tank, and the beverage outlet with its detachable splash guard, as well as the T-disc support, are the removable components on the machine. The T-disc support keys in to a static rounded pivoted end which it pivots on. So it is detachable and flexible, and you can take it out if you need to give it a good clean. Your coffee machine is in need of descaling if the red descaling light on the right side of the machine illuminates red. To descale your machine, fill the water tank up to the descaling icon level with water. As previously highlighted, this machine isn't in need of descaling as the descaling icon light isn't illuminating red. If it were, we will repeat the brewing or cleaning process by tapping on the brewing button and holding it down for 5 seconds. The descaling activity or process will take about 30 minutes to complete, after which you should decant the water waste via the drain from the mug and tank. You can then proceed to decant or pour out the water waste through your sink down the drain. And you can see that the flushed out water has got particles in them suggestive of debris from the machine. And in some other derisive cases, you might have detritus, in the wastewater. So by all means, get rid of it, okay? And then give your mug a good clean if you're going to brew more coffee. If you're running low on water, fill up the tank to the max level in preparation for brewing with the actual coffee pods, or you can decide to repeat the cleaning process. So, detach your water tank, give it a good clean, fill it up to the max level, and get set for brewing using them coffee pods or the service T-disc if you're repeating the cleaning process. click on useful links in the description. And that's about it really. If you found the information useful, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Helps the channel grow, and hopefully catch up with you later. Goodbye.